Hey guys, this is Mary Fox Crypto and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys probably know, this week Bitcoin price was crashing again, and while some people were happy because they could burn more Bitcoins, some people were panicking because they had no clue what they should do. And if you're the second type, stay here and don't go anywhere because today I'm gonna tell you things you should never do if Bitcoin price is going down. The price of a Bitcoin can unpredictably increase or decrease over a short period of time due to its young economy, novel nature, and sometimes liquid markets. Consequently, keeping your savings with Bitcoin is not recommended at this point. Bitcoin should be seen like a high-risk asset, and you should never store the money that you cannot afford to lose with Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency is unique in a sense that it's the only financial market that is made up primarily of new investors or investors that haven't been trained in finance before, which means that this is the most emotional market in existence. So many people who trade cryptocurrency have never ever traded before. Right now, when I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is dropping again, and over the years, Bitcoin has experienced many price swings. So when a market is sentiment driven, the price movement is driven by emotion, and to come out on top in the market, you have to remove your emotion from your trading. So it's not always about what you do, sometimes it's about what you don't do. And when Bitcoin price goes down and you watch all your cryptocurrency holdings lose their value, sometimes it's hard to remain calm. But when market gets bloody, you may even start thinking if Bitcoin price will ever go back up again. Why would someone sit around all day and look at exchange rates and charts? The goal is very simple. You buy low and you sell high. Obviously, you're trying to make some money by buying something at a low price and selling at a high price. If you're lucky enough to have some of your investment capital in fiat or Bitcoin when the market takes a tumble, it can be a good time to construct your portfolio. And when you're staring at a coins chart, watching it plummet in price, wondering when it will stop, you're trying to catch the bottom. Catching the bottom means you're attempting to enter into a trade at the bottom of a downtrend. It's extremely difficult to catch the exact bottom on a trade, so difficult that it's often called catching a falling knife. If you're constantly trying to catch the exact bottom, chances are you're going to miss out on trades. Sometimes, if you're planning on entering a trade, it's better to just get in near the bottom rather than wait. Another mistake that you should avoid is selling your coins for ones that are going up. I think that almost everyone's done it, but I believe that people who enter in the cryptocurrency world are aware to what Bitcoin can do. Bitcoin is like a long-term investment and have proven to give very good returns in the long term, and maybe it's even more profitable than gold. In my opinion, Bitcoin should be kept for as long as possible as it will continue to grow in price. But if you're a short-term trader, the most essential skill that you need to know is knowing when to stop. You should accept a loss and move into the next trade, and failure to do this is the main reason why traders lose their money. Just set a stop loss and do not move it when the trade goes against you. And remember, you should never risk more money that you can afford to lose. The last thing that you should avoid doing is staring at a chart all day long. Believe it or not, you can't force a chart to go up or down. The only thing you're actually doing is just wasting your time, and the majority of mistakes that you make are in the moments like those. If you're staring at your computer for 24/7, you're not being productive. And when you're not being productive, guess what happens? You get emotional and then you start overtrading, and these are two things that you should avoid doing at all costs. Just trust your strategy, and remember, if you're not trading with a strategy, you're gambling. No one knows when exactly Bitcoin price will go up or down again, but with nerves of steel and a quick hand and just half of a brain, you can turn a nifty profit. I hope this information helps you in the future and gives you some inspiration to invest into cryptocurrency. Tell me which mistakes you make when Bitcoin price goes down. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter if you want to see more updates, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.